Welcome to the installation process of Steady Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to the sidebar and you search for App Marketplace. Use the search bar to search for the app and then you click on it. Click on Install and head over to Allow and Install and click on it. Once you're done with your installation, reload the page and you search for the custom page of the app. Then this interface is going to pop up with all its necessary credentials, such as the documentation, and everything you need to begin your journey with this specific app is right in here. We have the tutorial feature, and in it, you're going to see the Smart Queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the setup feature. Here, we're going to show you how you can connect your app. Click on the Start Setup, and you will be required an API key to complete your configuration. Head to your app online and then you click on the integrations, scroll down and you click on the API and you copy the key, head to your account and you paste. Then you click on complete setup and your app will be successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and schedule a one-on-one video session call with the support team. And the change log feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To stay updated, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, and then you click on the subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and support. Thanks for watching.